Hi everyone, this is Srinika from CSCG. Today I'm going to explain about the functions in C language. Now, what is a function? A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. It helps in reusing code and makes programs modular. Syntax is return type, function name, and the parameters in brackets, open parentheses, and the block of statements and closed parentheses. So the general structure of function. So this is the general structure of function. Return type, function name, and parameter list. Open parenthesis, body of the function statements, and a return value. This is optional. Closed parenthesis. Types of functions. There are two types of functions. Those are library functions and user-defined functions. Library functions are predefined in C programming. For example, printf, scanf, squaref, and all. So, second one is user-defined functions. These are created by the programmer. So now let's discuss more about library functions. Library functions are predefined functions provided by programming languages to perform common tasks. They are stored in libraries or modules or packages or headers that you can include or import into your program. These functions save time. You don't need to write code from the scratch for common operators like mathematical calculations, string manipulation, etc. So So this is an example in which library functions are used. Here square root, this header file includes maths calculations and int main open parenthesis int number equal to 9. Square root of percentile d is percentile f. So this percentile d indicates the number and percentile indicates square root of the number. So the output of this program is 3 as the square root of 9 is 3. What is user-defined function? A user-defined function is a function created by the programmer to perform a specific task. It allows you to reuse code, makes program modular, and improve readability. So example is include studio h int add. This is the function declaration, and here is an example like int sum equal to add of 5 10. This is the function calling. So now the output of this program is 5 plus 10, that is 15. This is the function definition. Here it is return value. So there are 4 types of user defined functions. One with arguments and with return values. The second one with arguments and no return values. No arguments and with return value. No arguments and no return value. So now let's discuss an example with arguments and return value. Here both the arguments and return values will be visible in the function. So here int add, int a and b, these are the arguments which are also known as the parameters, and return a plus b. So this is the main section. Int add sum equal to add 5 comma 3, printf return. Here return is the return value. So the output of this program is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So now let's move into no arguments and no return values. So here void is used for no return values, and here in the parentheses no parameters are there. So no arguments and no return values. This is a program for printing the output. Welcome to C programming. So from all the above, I conclude that functions simplify code, improve readability, and allow reuse. Understanding types of functions is essential for modular programming. So thank you for watching.